Across Africa, a new kind of power is rising, not the power of machines or factories, but the power of intelligence, algorithms, data, robotics, ideas turned into code, code turned into solutions. Africa is proving that the future of technology won't only be written in the world's biggest tech capitals, it will be written right here, by young minds, by local innovators, by a new generation shaping Africa's digital destiny. This is Africa's AI and robotics revolution, and this is how Africa is blowing up. In Kigali, AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming a foundation. Rwanda is building AI systems that improve healthcare diagnosis, manage traffic and transport, support smart city planning, and power digital government services. AI helps doctors analyze diseases. It predicts crop health for farmers. It keeps city streets moving efficiently. Rwanda isn't waiting for the future. Rwanda is programming it. Nigeria is home to the fastest growing population of AI developers on the continent. From Lagos to Abuja, young engineers are creating AI chatbots for banking, fraud detection systems, AI-driven education platforms, and machine learning startups attracting global investors. Nigeria's tech ecosystem, powered by innovation hubs and universities, is shaping a new generation of AI talent ready to solve African problems with African intelligence. The world is watching Nigeria rise. Kenya, home of the Silicon Savannah, is using AI in ways that touch everyday life. In healthcare, systems detect cancer, malaria, and eye diseases earlier and faster. In agriculture, apps analyze plant diseases, climate patterns, and soil quality, helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. For security and transport, there's smart surveillance, road safety monitoring, and intelligent traffic lights. AI is becoming a quiet partner in Kenya's rise, a digital force supporting millions. South Africa is leading Africa in advanced robotics and scientific research. Universities and labs are developing autonomous robots for mining, AI systems for astronomy and space observation, industrial robots for manufacturing, and drone mapping for infrastructure and wildlife protection. Even the world-famous Meerkat telescope uses AI to process data from deep space, making Africa central to global astronomy. This is innovation built with precision and purpose. Africa's AI revolution is not driven by governments or corporations alone. It is driven by youth. Across the continent, teenagers are building robots from scrap metal. University students are winning global AI competitions. Women-led startups are creating life-changing tech. And local developers are building language models for African languages. This is the birthplace of the next digital generation, one that understands Africa's problems and creates Africa's solutions. Africa's population will double by the year 2050, but the continent has something even more powerful than numbers: creativity, ingenuity, and determination. AI and robotics are helping Africa modernize industries, strengthen healthcare, improve education, boost food production, and create millions of future jobs. This isn't technology for technology's sake. This is technology for survival, for empowerment, for transformation. Africa's AI and robotics revolution is not about keeping up. It's about leaping forward. Because when intelligence meets innovation, and innovation meets purpose, the world changes. Across the continent, young Africans are proving that you don't need perfect tools to build perfect ideas. You only need vision. You only need courage. You only need opportunity. Africa is not waiting for the future. Africa is writing the future. This is how Africa is blowing up.